So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a paper logo mockup on Photopea with very simple steps and without spending too much time. Okay, so you just go to photopea.com and go to these templates, not open from computer, not new project. Just go to templates, and here you will find different templates. And here on number 2, the second template, here it says paper logo mockup. Click on this again, click on this thumbnail, and after that it loads the template. Okay, now it has this logo on this paper, and as you can see here, these are layers. On top layer you see your design here, so you click here, not on that text that says your design here, but on this small thumbnail. So you double click on that thumbnail and you open this logo. Now this is the default logo, but you need to change that to your logo. So I'm going to go to my logo. Okay, go to file, open, and then I'm going to search for my logo. That's Blender logo, and open. Okay, so now what I can do is just click on this logo and drag, and then go to this layer 1. Okay, and then come here on this screen and then drop. Okay, and then it's ready. Now you can zoom out by pressing Ctrl and minus, and then you can just click and drag like this. Okay, zoom in, Control plus. Okay, so drag like this, put it on center, and then what you can do is go to this layer 1 and click on this eye icon. It hides the layer 1. That's the default logo. So we are ready with this new logo. What you can do now is first make sure you're on the new logo layer. Right now it says background, so it should be on this layer, and then you're gonna click on type tool and click somewhere wherever you want and just click start typing. I'm gonna type and it's ready. The text is ready, and I'm gonna make it big. Okay, you can change the font by double clicking on the text and Control A to select all, and you go up here. It says Alpha Echo, so I want to change this to something different. Let's see what we can get. Oh, sorry. I don't know. It's okay. This one, not that good. Okay. You can use any font you want. I think that's good. And let's go here. Instead of regular, I'm gonna select bold. Okay. So go to move tool, and then you can move this, and I'm gonna keep it on center. And now what I can do is I'm gonna go to this layer on which the logo is, and I'm gonna drag the logo and then make it a little small. Okay, now my logo is ready, and now you can press Ctrl and S to save. Once you save it, you just close it. Close this layer 1. You can also close this logo. Now the logo mockup file here, as you can see, it shows this logo on a paper. Okay, that's what you need to do. You can maybe increase the size. Let's see. Sorry. Click here, and oh, I guess that doesn't work. Oh, okay. You can go to group and then maybe increase the size. Yeah. But what you need to do is maybe you can click on both group 1 and your design. To do that, click on group 1 first and hold the control key and then click on your design and then just drag it like this. It's gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna make it even bigger. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is how we make a paper logo mockup on Photopea. Very simple. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to worry about those shadows and all that, lighting and everything. Everything is done on this template and it's ready. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.